Mean, median, and mode, Part 1. Use the data below to answer the following questions. A. What is the mean? Round to the nearest tenth. The mean, also called the average, is found by taking the sum of all numbers in the data set and dividing by the total of numbers that are in the data set. So first, we're going to find the sum of all the numbers in the set. The sum of the numbers is just found by taking all of the numbers and adding them together. So we have 56 plus 99 plus 97 plus 88 plus 88 plus 70 plus 70 plus 62 plus 56 plus 78 plus 88 plus 70 plus 99 plus 56 plus 62 plus 82 plus 56 plus 82 plus 70 and then plus 97. When we add all of those values together, we get a sum of 1,526. Next, we want to divide by the number of numbers in the set. So we'll just count the number of values in the set. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So we have 20 values in the set. So our denominator is 20. Now we'll take 1,526 and divide by 20, and we get a value of 76.3. And that value is already rounded to one decimal place, so that is our final answer. The mean, or the average, is 76.3. Use the data below to answer the following questions. B. What is the median? The median is found by taking the set of values and ordering them from smallest to largest. Then we'll find the middle value or values of the set. Here we have the values of the data set listed from smallest to largest. Now we want to find the middle value or values. Now, since we have 20 values in this set, and 20 is an even number, I know that the median is going to be the average of the two middle values. To find the middle values, we can just start crossing off the smallest value and largest value until we get to the middle. So here I'll cross off the 56, then the 99, the 56 and the 99, the 56 and the 97, and I'll just continue this pattern until we reach the two middle values. And again, we know there's two middle values because the total number of values was even. All right, so here we have the two middle values, and that's going to be the 78 and the 70. Now we can just double check to make sure that those are really in the middle by adding up the values on the right and the left. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 values on the left, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 values on the right. So since 9 equals 9, those two values are the same. That does mean that these two numbers are in the middle of the data set. So to find the median, I'm just going to take those two numbers, add them together, and divide by 2. And that's the average of the middle set, and that will be my median. So 70 plus 78 gives us a value of 148, and 148 divided by 2 equals 74. So that means that the median is 74. Use the data below to answer the following questions. C. What is the mode? The mode is the value that occurs the most often in the data set. In order to find the mode, we're going to first create a frequency distribution. So remember, with a frequency distribution, I have the value on the left and then the frequency or the number of times it occurs on the right. So I'm going to list all the unique values from smallest to largest on the left column or in the left column. So I have 56, 62, 70, 78, 82, 88, 97, and 99. Now I'm going to list the number of times that each value occurs. Before I write the frequency, I'm just going to write a tally and provide tally marks next to each value so I can figure out how many times they occur. So 56 occurs one time, 99 occurs one time, 88 occurs one time, 97 occurs one time. So I'm just putting a tally mark next to each number. 88, I'll put another tally, then we have a 70, another 70, 62, 56, 78, 88, 70, 99, 56, 62, 82, 56, 82, 70, and 97. Now that I place tally marks next to each value, I can go ahead and add up those tally marks, and that will be my frequency. So the frequency for 56 is 4, the frequency for 62 is 2, the frequency of 70 is 4, the frequency of 78 is 1, the frequency of 82 is 2, the frequency for 88 is 3, the frequency for 97 is 2, and the frequency for 99 is 2. Like we said before, the mode is the value that occurs the most often. So I want to identify the value with the highest frequency. So if we look here, 56 has a frequency of 4, but 70 also has a frequency of 4. And 4 is larger than any other frequency on this chart. But 70 and 56 occur both 4 times, which is the highest number of frequencies in the table. Now, like we said, the mode is the number that occurs most often. But if 2 numbers occur most often, then both numbers are the mode. So for this case, this data set has 2 modes. The modes are 56 and 70. Now, if more than 2 values occur most often, so say we had 99 occurring 4 times, then we would have 3 numbers that had a frequency of 4. If more than 2 values occur most often, then there wouldn't be a mode. So if we had a scenario in which the 56, the 70, and the 99 occurred 4 times, which is the highest frequency, then in that case, we would not have a mode. But since that's not the case and only 2 values occur the most often, then our answer is just 56 and 70.